Hey guys, Dan, House Washing Heroes, and this is our next job for the day. We're at Kedron. So anyone in Brisbane will know Kedron is right near the Prince Charles Hospital. It's a very busy little area, lots of construction going on, and this house is just getting a freshen up. It's got a few cobwebs and things like that up there, which the boys all take care of. So this is another classic house. You can see those windows up there. If we put too much pressure on that, it's just going to put water in there. Even sometimes putting water at the top, it runs into the top ledge and then on the inside of the glass, which is never good. So we always ask the clients to make sure that they just put a towel in there. And if they don't have a spare towel, we have towels on board. So this is just one of those, you know, if you follow our socials, you'll see that we do some rather large homes with stables and helicopter pads and all sorts of things, but we also do these smaller little niche homes. Got quite a few real estate agents as clients and property managers, so they often get us in to give a property a freshen up before they have tenants move in, things like that. So yeah, so that's our next job for the day, and we'll keep on moving on and enjoy this amazing weather. All right guys, catch you, bye.